Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this COVID situation, all of you are at home. Those who has to start 10th standard this year, they will be thinking how to study, how to know the concepts by sitting at home. Many of you will not be having so much money to go and pay for tutor. So I thought, let me explain the concept of maths for you so that the students are benefited by this. So come, let's start. I'm going to take the topic from arithmetic progressions. We will start the arithmetic progressions. See, what is arithmetic progressions? Firstly, let us know. So I'll take an example here. Suppose, assume that Reena has applied for a job and she got selected, and her first salary is 8,000. Okay, and with the starting monthly salary is 8,000 and annual increment 500 for her salary. So her salary 500 increment will be there annually. So that means every year 500 is increased. Okay, so the first year she is going to get 8,000, means next year she will getting 8,500 and then 9,000, etc. Right. Similarly, if you are thinking of saving some money, okay, from the pocket money or something, I will save 100 rupees this year, and every year if you are increasing 50 for that 100. So suppose this year, first year you are putting 100 rupees, and next year 150, and then 200, and then 250. See, what I am going to tell you from this is, there is a pattern here. If you can observe carefully, there is a pattern. What is the pattern means? One fixed number has been added to the preceding terms. You can notice here, a fixed number has been added to the preceding terms. So here, what is that fixed number which we are adding, and we are getting that the next term. So here 8,000, 8,500, 9,000. So here we are adding 500. 500 is a fixed term which, so here each numbers are called as a term. Each numbers are called as a term, right? Now, so an arithmetic progression, what is an arithmetic progression then? So here an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding number, right? You can see here a fixed number we are adding to the next number. Here also on fixed number 50 we are adding, so we will get 200. Then here also we are adding 50, we will get 250. So fixed number has been added here. That is only arithmetic progression. So an arithmetic progression is a list of numbers in which each term is obtained by adding a fixed number to the preceding term except the first term. Now we will see what is this. What is this called as? What is the first term? First term is here, this is 100. Here the first term is 8,000. So these are the first terms. The first number is called as the first term here, and it is denoted by A. Okay, and we can even call it as A1. We even call it as A1. And the next terms are called as A2. Second term is called as A2. Third term is called as A3, etc. up to AN. Okay, up to nth term we are going to take it. So now, what is the fixed term called as here? We are taking one fixed term. So what is the fixed term has been called here? The fixed term is nothing but is common difference between the two terms. Fixed term is nothing but the common difference between the two terms, and this is called as, denoted as small d. Okay, this is denoted by small d. Common difference is denoted by small d. And how to find it easily? How to find? Small d is equal to a2 minus a1. So the second term minus the first term. Small d is equal to a2 minus a1. That is the second term minus the first term, right? And then third term minus second term, then also we will get the common difference. Then fourth term minus third term, then also we will get the common difference. This is how we have to find out the common difference. We'll see d is equal to, I have taken the second example, a2 is 150 minus a1 is 100. 150 minus 100, we will get 50. Then what is a3 minus a2? a3 minus a2, these two terms. Now 200 minus 150, again 50. See, the common difference is 50. right? Okay. So now we will see, here you can observe that in each and every terms, the first term I told you as A, second term we are adding A plus D, right? That is A is 100 means D is 50. Second term we are adding 100 plus 50, then we are going to get 150. The third term 100 plus 2 into the D is 50. So we will get A plus 2D, we will get 200. Similarly, next term A plus 3D, that is 100 plus 3 into 50, we will get this term. So this only is called as the, here A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, etc. are called as general form of an AP. Is called as general form of an AP. Now, suppose they have given A as minus 7 and D as minus 2, okay, and you have to find out the AP, that is the arithmetic progression. That is arithmetic progression, just now we saw, no, like that we have to find out. So this is the general form of an AP. Using this we can find out. So the first term is minus 7, right, and second term is A plus D, that is minus 7 minus 2, right, that is minus 9, and third term is minus 7 plus 2 into minus 2, that is minus 7 plus into minus is minus 2, so minus 7 minus 2 is minus 11, then minus 7 plus into minus, minus 3 2s are 6, minus 7 minus 6 is minus 13, etc. So this is an AP. So if we know the first term and the common difference, we can find out the AP easily. Next is an example for the AP. Suppose they have given an AP and you have to write the first term and common difference. At that time, how to do this? For the AP, 3 by 2, 1 by 2, minus 1 by 2 and minus 3 by 2, etc. Write the first term and common difference. So how to do this? So here the first term, you know, it is 3 by 2, and the common difference, how to find out? It is A2 minus A1, that is half 1 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So the denominator is same, so we will get the LCM 2, then 1 minus 3 is equal to 1 minus 3 is minus 2 divided by 2, so 2 and 2 ones are, so is equal to, we will get minus 1, right? Yes, nextly, if I am taking one more example here, A is equal to minus 2 and D is equal to 0. Find first 4 terms of an AP. A and D has been given. We have to find the first 4 terms. Already you know how to find out this. So here A, the first term, A plus D, A plus 2D, A plus 3D, we know the general form. So just substitute here. In the place of A, minus 2, A plus D means minus 2 plus 0. And A plus 2D is minus 2 plus 2 into, in the place of D it is 0, and A plus 3D minus 2 plus 3 into, in the place of D it is 0, etc. So here how much we will get? Minus 2, and minus 2 plus 0 is minus 2, minus 2 plus 2 into 0 is again 0, so it is minus 2 only, and minus 2 plus 3 into 0 is also 0, so minus 2. So we are getting minus 2. Because the common difference is 0. Next one more. Here minus 1.2, minus 3.2, minus 5.2, minus 7.2, etc. We have to find the common difference and write 3 more terms. Next 3 terms we have to write now. Okay, here first 4 terms they have given. Next 3 terms we have to write. So firstly, we have to know what is the first term. By seeing this, we can know this is the first term. A is equal to minus 1.2. Then what is D? D is, how to find D? A2 minus A1. A2 minus A1 is equal to minus 3.2 minus, and what is A1? Minus 1.2. So minus 1.2. So we will get minus 3.2. Minus into minus is plus 1.2. So minus 3.2 and plus 1.2 is how much? The greater number sign is minus and 1 plus 1 minus means we have to subtract, so we will get minus 2. So minus 2 is the common difference. So what if they are asking first find out whether it is an AP or not? At that time also we have to check the common difference for each of the term like this. D is equal to A3 minus A2 also we have to check, and A4 minus A3 also we have to check. If all the common difference we are getting the same, then it is an AP. So as I did here, D is equal to A3 minus A2, then also I got minus 2, and here also I got minus 2, A4 minus A3, therefore it is an AP. Now next what we have to do? We have to find the next three terms. How to find the next three terms? You know here the last fourth term is minus 7.2. For this minus 7.2, you know for everything we are going to add the common difference, we will get the next terms. So here minus 7.2, what is the common difference? Minus 2. Add that minus 2 here, so we will get minus 7.2 minus 2 is minus 9.2, and for this minus 9.2, next term is again this will become the next term, and for this next term minus 9.2 you add again minus 2 and you will get minus 11.2, and then this minus 11.2 becomes the next term. For this you add up again minus 2, you will get minus 13.2. So we have found out the next three terms. I hope all of you understood. If you like this video, please like and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.